Hi everyone, it's Luke. Today we'll take a look at how to use Gemini AI. And what exactly is Gemini? Gemini AI is an advanced language model from Google designed to understand and generate text, codes, images, and other content formats. It uses state-of-the-art artificial intelligence techniques to provide accurate and contextually relevant answers. So, it's the next ChatGPT. Yes and no. Both models are similar. They process the same information, but by working on different bases, they will never agree on the answer and will always be about something else. So let's give it a try. Let's open up Gemini.com. That will bring us to the Gemini main panel. From here, we can ask anything we want. So let's try. For example, are you human? You see, we got a simple, understandable, and reasonable answer. Let's try something more complicated now. So make me a program to organize daily tasks. And you see, in a second we have the code for a program that will take us at least an hour to create. In the same way, you can add photos by clicking on the photo icon in the chat and select, for example, my channel logo. And we will ask for what it says on it. We get a detailed description of what the picture sees, color. Gemini also can read the text. It's a very interesting model with a lot of features that are hard to simply describe. You must try it. You can see that on the left side panel you have a history of your platoons, and you can add a new chat as well. The program environment is very nicely, simply, and similar to other models, so I believe you won't get lost in it. And that will be all. If the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tschüss.